This is one of the easiest salmon dishes I love to make in my oven. It's a buttered Parmesan and breadcrumb crusted salmon. And it is so easy to make. Let's open up the package of salmon here and look at the beautiful marbling in this salmon. This is what you're looking for when you're shopping for salmon, by the way. We're gonna wipe it with a paper towel, set it on a baking sheet with some parchment paper on top, and now for the crust. We're gonna go ahead and mix some panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese. I have some dried dill I'm gonna add to this, and melted butter on top. And you're gonna see that it has a consistency of wet sand. That's good. Now use your fingers to kind of adhere it on top of the salmon all throughout. And we're gonna bake this in the oven at 375, and if you have convection, even better. Oh man, look at this. A super simple baked salmon that's crispy and loaded with healthy fats and plenty of flavor.